Hello, this is Royal Gaming, and I want to show you Dej. Don't tag. These are wallpapers. Look, don't tag my phone. I can forget that as a wallpaper. No. Then look. Ha 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 ha. Wait, ha 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 ha. You don't know my password. Not even I knew my password. Wow. Bunny rabbits are being coloured in unicorn. Wee wee. What is going wrong? Okay, I'm just going. Wait, no, wallpapers. I don't want to be on wallpapers. This is what I wanted to go on. Look.
It's your daughter on your phone, ringing and ringing, don't you leave it alone. Daughter's calling and the show is sweet. If you don't get it, then you're gonna get beat. It's your daughter. Ring, 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 it's your daughter. Ring, ring-a-la-ding. Cell phone's ringing, so you know you better do what's right. Alright. Ring-a-la-ding, ring-a-la-ding-a-la-ding, ring-a-la-ding-a-la-ding, ring-a-la-ding-a-la-ding.
These things can be funny. Oh, I'm good. Wait. Idiot is calling. Yeah, that.
Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna, I ain't giving you $1 this time, I ain't gonna run away. You might knock me down, but I will get back up again.
Oh no, it's your mum. Oh, I think you'll like this one. It's your brother dead. Aha. That one may have a swear word in. So yeah. It's quite funny. Crazy chicken. Super ring time. I don't know what that would be. I know. This one.
Answer the phone. It's your midget friend. Come on, man, pick it up. Don't make me hop on a phone book and punch you in the crotch. It's your midget friend. Answer the phone. I may have a funny voice, but I've got some things to tell you. Answer the phone. It's your midget friend.
Yeah, we put that one for William. When William's calling us, that just happened.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah.
I have the whole song of that. Yep, I've seen that one. I'm trying to keep you Star Wars.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. It's the voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
No, I don't want to be doing. Okay. Boss is calling. Everybody dance now. Why? Yeah, that was not. Why? I'm listening to Harry Potter. Going up to sleep. No! No! That is not the police. It's the wife. I just called, sir. I'm just trying to find some good ones. Nuclear alarm. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see.
You. Wait. Good, bad, ugly. Okay, let's just do one more. Oompa loompa. VIP ringtone. I like to move it. Star Wars. No, I did not meet. Please, I need to find another Pokemon Go.
Don't touch my phone. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Don't touch my phone. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Don't touch my phone. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Don't touch my phone.
Like, I want another Pokemon.
Pika Pika, Pikachu, Pika Pika, Pika, Pika Pika, Pikachu.
Yeah, that's what it has for my notifications. So I'm very used to that.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test.
Go. It goes to train them is my cause.
Oh my god, pick up the phone.
But fine, I may as well play it. Why do I keep clicking on things? I know that there's this. Okay, never mind. Okay, that's the end of this episode. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye. Dun dun. And comment. Bye. Dun dun dun. Wait. Did I just see who let the dog out? Wait, no.